When I first started playing with the design for this airplane, I had a couple goals in mind. I wanted something that would glide very softly, far, and relatively straight. Also was thinking about the simplest way of folding it to use the entire paper width with a pretty high aspect ratio. Something that would easily fold for children, so avoiding anything that got really thick or too complex. And had a natural progression from one fold to the other. Easy to memorize. With definitive meet-up points. Here's a technique I showed my kids, is just put a finger in the middle, fold over the finger, and then pull your finger out. This is the hardest fold of the plane. And then instead of doing a lengthwise fold, which changes the way the wing is, one of the most important folds on a normal plane and hard for a child to do consistently, I decided just to crease the front, use that leading edge, and have a warped wing in the back. Straighten out any irregularities here. Make sure the tips are straight. When you fly, adjust the plane with weight shift, just one wing down, more curve if you need to keep that wing down. Elongate a wing if you want it to float up, if it's going left or right.